Hello guys, for today's video, I will Tagalog to English to this vlog. For understanding me, for maintindihan nyo ako to this vlog. Listen guys, ang asawa ko ay nagluto ng pancake. My wife in English guys, my wife is cook this pancake for me. Pero ang niluto niyang pancake ay medyo sunog na luto, pero sunog konti. Kagaya ng balat ko, ayan. In English guys, she's cooking like my skincare, like my skin, like my skin dark color like this. You see, this is my color. That's why I eat my wife. I eat this. Kaya kakainin ko siya. Kasi niluto niya to. Isusubo ko na to guys. I will get inside in my mouth this. Masarap ang lasa, sobrang sarap. Parang uling. This taste is good. Like charcoal. Like a, what is uling? Like a charcoal? I think like a charcoal. Very good taste. Thank you so much everyone guys, at maraming thank you sa salamat ngayong umaga. Thanks to everyone to support me, my handsome, my guys. Thank you guys, love you all.